Hello friends, welcome back to Market Market. Today is 1st of July and I'm back again with another update. So friends, as we had seen over the weekend, Nifty after this big reaction to 10,550, 62 retracement levels and 200 EMA did not show a follow-up down move. It started consolidating and it even started inching upwards. I think we had last reviewed when this candle had already formed, a kind of a doji candle. And 3 days have passed this week. 2 days were kind of indecisive, but today it has given a very bullish move. So as we had anticipated, looks like the markets are trying to come back and test these levels again. Other indicators are pretty bearish. FIS have been selling pretty heavily, and then they're also even in derivative segments. FIS are on the short side. They're carrying a lot of short positions than the over the long positions. All that given, markets are still trying to inch higher, mainly driven by, I think, banking stocks. Right, all the big names like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, all of them are moving pretty strong. So looks like it is all set to test these levels again, going by this bullish candle that it has made today. Tomorrow is also an expiry day. Not sure how this will pan out given the current setup. But yeah, going strictly with the price action, looks like it is set to try test these resistances again. Right, there is looking at the indicators, friends, RSI and MACD here. So RSI has resistance at 70. So both these tops that it has made on the charts are close to 70. So Nifty is not going beyond the strength of 70 on RSI, and MACD too. With this new high, Nifty did not really make a new momentum high. Momentum, as you can see, is tapering down from some time now. This is like momentum is pretty low. So this move is in the back of a very low momentum. So may not be very bullish. I'm not sure how long can it go from here. Be very cautious about this move. But yeah, the levels of 10,500 or maybe a few hundred points higher can also be expected with this momentum. If we look at the intraday chart, it was actually consolidating after the um, yeah, after the move. Recently, it was actually consolidating here in this triangle. We can actually this area. So it was consolidating. It was just moving back and forth, and recently in last couple of days it was forming this kind of a triangle, right? 30th of June and July. So it was forming. It was consolidating in a triangle, like you can extend it till here. And today it actually broke out of the triangle and gave a good up move. So looks like the consolidation has happened and it has broken out towards the upside. That's what suggests that this rally may continue and test the previous resistances, right? So this is about Nifty. So Nifty gave saw the gains saw a gains of about 1.2%, and it is just how far is it from the 200 EMA? It is just 0.8% from 200 EMA, and tomorrow is an expiry day as well. And this is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty too, just shy of the trend line, 2013 trend line, and also the 38% retracement levels. Let me plot those levels here. Right, so there's 22,400, right? 22,400. So it may test those resistances again, right? And even if we look at the intraday chart on Bank Nifty, even here we can actually see a nice triangle, right? So it was moving inside a triangle and it broke out today. Oh, sorry, yeah, this one. Yeah, so it was moving inside a triangle last few days and it broke out of the triangle and gave a nice up move. So triangle is again a indecisive pattern. I thought this would be more of a flag and continuation pattern, but it actually broke out on the upside and has given a good move. And it is not very far from the resistances that it reacted last time. So I feel that it may test these again, right, friends? So that's pretty much. Just wanted to give a quick update on today's price action. We'll keep reviewing this as the days pass. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.